Hello, I'm Clive Enniff, a business strategist, and I help people ensure they have a clear roadmap to success. Part of building a successful business, of course, is assembling your team. What's the best way to assemble the dream team? The team that's going to deliver for you time after time after time and not give you any grief. That seems like a reasonable wish for a team. The first thing we have to do is understand precisely what it is that we're looking for. Sometimes in business we need skills. And of course we've all heard the old adage, you don't hire for skills, you hire for attitude. And of course I'm a great exponent of that. You always hire for attitude. However, when we need specific skills, it's important to present that we need specific skills. When the people turn up to apply for the role, then we're hiring for attitude. We know they have the skills, so now we're hiring for attitude. And if we're trying to put together the dream team, we want the team to be a dream from day one and to stay a dream. So how do we go about this? First, we know precisely what it is that we do. Then we have a very clear idea of what our goals and objectives are. Now we have a very clear idea on how we go about achieving those goals. Armed with that information, we can start casting the net for our people. Having identified what roles we need to fill, we call for applications. People apply. Who are we looking for? We're looking for the person who understands why we do what we do. They have matching values. Once people's values align with yours, it's relatively easy to ensure that the dream team stays a dream team, because they're inspired to fulfill the goals that you've originally created, which are now their goals. From this point, it's a matter of making sure that you deliver in your part for the team. Sometimes as business owners we think that we're the only ones who can do it. Well, if we're the only ones who can do it and we make that known to whoever we've employed or contracted to help us in our work, we're going to lose that dream team really quickly, because the dream team wants to be a part of the activity. They want to be involved. They want to stand out the front and lead just like you. They want to show you just how good they are. They want to show the customers just how good they are. They're doing this because they're inspired to deliver whatever it is that you deliver, whatever the customers are looking for. So having assembled the team and led them the right way, we're doing really well. When do we find time to part with a team member? Ideally, your team member stays focused on the goals, stays focused on the values. However, sometimes people's needs change. Because their needs change, their values might change. They might need to look somewhere else for something bigger for themselves. That's the time to help them on their way. By helping somebody on their way to find their destiny elsewhere, you're actually creating a better environment around you. The next person who comes into your team is now aware of the greater opportunities that you provide. If you make it difficult for a person just because they want to grow, they want to be more, then people are going to hear about that. And people will think that you're in the game only for you, at the expense of your employees or your contractors. That's not a good environment to be in. So help your people grow in your business, and you'll be able to help them grow into their business or into another role at a different place without doing you any damage. In fact, it will grow your reputation. So dream teams, are they just a dream? No, but they are built. They don't just happen by magic. Dream teams need to be built. Once they're built, they need to be nurtured. That means that you stay a good leader and your team will always be supportive.